Hi, I'm Tim, and today I'm going to show you 3 real phrases we say using the word face. When talking about something we think is bad, we can use the expression can't face it. This means that we don't want something or we don't want to do something. School is awful at the moment. I can't face it today. Or in a shorter form, I can't face school today. Sometimes we need to think about or confront something difficult even when we don't want to. Here we can say face up to something. For example, you need to face up to your fear of exams if you want to pass the course. I could also say you need to face up to it. The last expression is face the music. This means to accept the negative result of past actions. For example, I forgot to do my homework. Now I have to tell the teacher and face the music.